Chapter 1: Getting Started with LinkedIn. In today's digital age, social media platforms have revolutionized the way we connect, network, and market ourselves and our businesses. Among the myriad of platforms available, LinkedIn stands out as a powerful tool specifically designed for professionals. With its vast network of over 740 million users spanning various industries and sectors, LinkedIn offers unparalleled opportunities for business growth, personal branding, and professional networking. Chapter 1 will guide you through the process of getting started with LinkedIn, from setting up a professional profile to identifying your target audience. But before we dive into the practical steps, let's explore what LinkedIn is, why you should be using it, and the advantages it holds for your business. LinkedIn is a social media platform tailored to professionals, serving as a virtual hub for career development, industry insights, and business connections. It goes beyond traditional job search platforms and serves as a comprehensive ecosystem where professionals can showcase their expertise, engage with like-minded individuals, and leverage their networks to unlock new opportunities. So, why should you be using LinkedIn for your business? Here are a few compelling reasons. Professional networking. LinkedIn provides a platform for connecting with colleagues, peers, industry influencers, and potential clients or customers. It allows you to expand your professional network, nurture relationships, and tap into a vast pool of industry expertise and knowledge. Personal branding. LinkedIn offers a unique opportunity to establish and strengthen your personal brand. By crafting a compelling profile, sharing thought-provoking content, and engaging in industry discussions, you can position yourself as an authority in your field and gain credibility within your professional community. Business visibility. LinkedIn enables you to showcase your company's products, services, and achievements through a dedicated company page. It serves as a digital storefront, allowing you to reach a wide audience, engage with followers, and attract potential customers or clients. Industry insights and learning. LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of industry-specific content, discussions, and thought leadership. By following relevant influencers, joining industry groups, and participating in discussions, you can stay up to date with the latest trends, gain valuable insights, and expand your knowledge base. Recruitment and talent acquisition. LinkedIn is widely used by recruiters and hiring managers to identify and connect with potential candidates. By maintaining an active presence on LinkedIn, you can attract top talent, explore career opportunities, and stay connected with the evolving job market. As we delve into Chapter 1, we will explore the essential steps to harness the power of LinkedIn for your business. From setting up a professional profile that highlights your skills and achievements to identifying your target audience and laying the groundwork for effective marketing strategies, you will gain the necessary knowledge and tools to navigate the world of LinkedIn with confidence. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the boundless possibilities that LinkedIn offers to market your business, establish your professional brand, and connect with a thriving professional community. Setting up a professional LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is the foundation of your online presence on the platform. It serves as your digital resume and a powerful tool for personal branding. Here are the key steps to set up a professional LinkedIn profile. Choose a professional profile picture. Select a high-quality headshot that portrays you in a professional and approachable manner. Dress appropriately for your industry and ensure a clean background. Craft a compelling headline. Your headline appears below your name and is a prime opportunity to showcase your expertise and value proposition. Use keywords relevant to your industry and role. Create a captivating summary. Write a concise and engaging summary that highlights your professional background, skills, achievements, and goals. Make it authentic and compelling to capture the attention of visitors. Showcase your experience. Add your work experience, starting with your current or most recent position. Include relevant job titles, companies, responsibilities, and accomplishments. Use bullet points to make it easily scannable. Highlight your education and certifications. Include your educational background, degrees, certifications, and any relevant courses you have completed. Add skills and endorsements. List your key skills, which will help others understand your areas of expertise. Encourage colleagues and connections to endorse you for these skills to boost credibility. Utilize the featured section. LinkedIn offers a featured section where you can showcase samples of your work, articles, or projects. Leverage this section to provide evidence of your skills and accomplishments. Customize your public profile URL. Create a personalized URL for your LinkedIn profile to make it easier for others to find you. Use your name or a variation of it. Identifying your target audience on LinkedIn. Before you can effectively market your business on LinkedIn, it's crucial to identify and understand your target audience. LinkedIn offers a wealth of user data and targeting options that can help you connect with the right people. Here's how to identify your target audience on LinkedIn. Define your ideal customer. Start by creating a detailed profile of your ideal customer or client. Consider factors such as demographics, job titles, industries, company size, and professional interests. Conduct market research. Use LinkedIn search filters and advanced search options to find professionals who fit your target audience criteria. Explore their profiles, connections, and engagement to gain insights into their interests and behaviors. Analyze competitor connections. Explore the LinkedIn profiles of your competitors and analyze their connections. Look for commonalities and patterns to identify potential target audience segments. Leverage LinkedIn groups. Join relevant LinkedIn groups in your industry or niche. Observe discussions, engage with members, and identify individuals who align with your target audience. Utilize LinkedIn Insights. LinkedIn provides valuable insights and analytics on your company page, allowing you to understand the demographics, engagement levels, and preferences of your followers. Use this data to refine your target audience. Refine your messaging. Based on your research, tailor your messaging and content to resonate with your target audience. Speak their language, address their pain points, and offer solutions that are relevant to their needs. By setting up a professional LinkedIn profile and identifying your target audience, you'll establish a solid foundation for leveraging LinkedIn's marketing capabilities to promote your business effectively.